Namaste viewers, welcome back to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare two sweet dishes. One is paneer barfi and another one is wheat flour halwa. First I am going to prepare paneer barfi. Ingredients for this are very simple barfi. No sugar, no pakam, no string consistency. Just take 1 cup of paneer grated one. If you take it in grams, 150 grams of paneer grated one, and half the tin I am going to use. Half the tin of Milkmaid, finely chopped, desired amount of desired dry fruits you can take. I have taken badam, ilachi powder. First I will take half the tin of Milkmaid. I have taken half the tin of Milkmaid, that is 200 grams of Milkmaid. In this itself I am going to add grated paneer, 1 cup of grated paneer, that is 150 grams, and we will keep it on the stove on a flame and cook it. Now switch on the stove, keep this paneer and Milkmaid mixture on the flame and keep on stirring. Once you keep it on the flame, it will become little watery. Don't worry, it will get thickened. Keep the flame on a low one and continuously stir it until it becomes to the halwa consistency, that is barfi consistency. It has become thick. Still we have to cook it for some more time until it start leaving the pan. At this stage we will add half a teaspoon of ilachi powder to it and mix it thoroughly. Now it has started leaving the pan. Now right time to transfer this to the greased plate and pull it down and cut it into pieces. Transfer it to the plate, spread it evenly. Now I have spread it evenly. Spread the dry fruits on it. You add your desired dry fruit, badam, pista, cashew, anything. Press lightly with the spatula so that it will fix into the barfi. Now I am going to prepare the second dish, that is wheat halwa using wheat flour. Ingredients for this are 1 bowl of wheat flour, 2 bowls of ghee, 2 bowls of sugar, food color, ilachi powder, 3 bowls of milk, desired amount of dry fruits. Now switch on the stove, take a pan, let it get heated. Now the pan is heated, we will add 1 cup of ghee first. Now ghee is melted, we will add 1 cup of wheat flour. We will fry this wheat flour until it leaves its aroma. Now it is done, we will add milk to it. 3 cups of milk to it. Add it slowly. 1 cup. Second cup and the third cup. Mix it thoroughly. Now mix it thoroughly. Keep the flame in a low one. Add sugar to it. 2 cups of sugar. Keep stirring continuously. Be careful about the flame of the stove. Should be low to medium only. Mix it thoroughly and let it cook. At this stage we will add the food color. Mix it properly so that the color will spread into the halwa. Once the color is mixed properly, add the dry fruits to it. It will get cooked in this heat itself. Now we will add ghee batch by batch. The remaining 1 cup of ghee we will use here. We will add 1 spoon and mix it thoroughly. Now all the ghee is absorbed. Now we will add again 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix it thoroughly. You stir it continuously until all the ghee absorbs into the halwa. Now the ghee is enough. Still 2 spoons of ghee is there. This much is enough. We will add the ilachi powder to it and stir it continuously. Now the halwa started leaving the ghee in the sides. It indicates that halwa is ready. Another one is you just touch it, it's not sticking to your hand. Now it is ready. Switch off the stove and wheat flour halwa is ready. Now the wheat flour halwa is ready. By the time I prepare this wheat flour halwa, this paneer barfi has become cool. Now we will take these pieces and serve it. Now the wheat flour halwa and paneer barfi is ready to serve. This Diwali, Sunita's Kitchen Story is going to celebrate with the Palash Diyas. If you want to do the same, please check out the description box for the detail of the Palash Diyas. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.